Hello everyone, this is Matt Eldridge, your BMW genius here at BMW of Tuscaloosa. Today I'm here with the 2019 BMW M850 Convertible. This particular one is finished in Dravit Gray Metallic, which is an astonishingly beautiful color. This actually might be my favorite color on any BMW ever produced. And the interior is the Ivory Right Extended Merino leather. So walking around this vehicle, you can see this does feature our 20-inch M V-spoke wheels with Orbit Gray accents, as well as the M Performance brakes. Absolutely gorgeous wheels. Looking at the front, you can see this does feature our Icon adaptive LED headlights with laser lights as well. So that gives you that little blue accent inside of the headlights. Nice look at that grille. Of course, it is the active kidney grille, so you know it will open and close depending on if the car needs air. Moving along the side. This car is just absolutely stunning. It is a showstopper. This color, doesn't even do it justice. Moving on to the rear, our new signature taillight design. Kind of pushed right out towards the edge. Really makes it look dynamic and sporty. Moving on down, you can see the exhaust. There are real exhaust tips kind of hidden behind that trim, but they are there. Of course, this is xDrive all-wheel drive. All right, let's go ahead and hop in this interior. And this interior is just as stunning as the exterior. To give you a nice little look at that door panel. Harman Kardon sound. And you can see it does have the ambient lighting that kind of runs right through here as well. Just makes it feel really special at night. Let's go ahead and sit inside. Again, our full Live Cockpit Pro. Fully customizable digital gauges. Kind of cycle through just whatever you want on the right hand side, as well as full touchscreen interface in the center featuring iDrive 7. Looking up here, we do have your BMW Assist SOS button and controls for the lights. A nice little look at this. Of course, this one does have heated and cooled seats. In here, we do have our wireless charging tray with our new BMW digital key. This one features the glass controls, which are absolutely stunning. As well as neck warmers. So on chilly days like this, you can ride with the top down. You have nice little heat blowing right through here around your neck. Let's go ahead and look at this window sticker. So the base price of this M850 Convertible is $121,400. The Dravit Gray Metallic is going to bring in about $2,000 more. This does feature the Driving Assistance Plus with Parking Assistance Plus, active blind spot, frontal collision, lane departure, rear view camera, and surround view 3D camera. Parking Assistant package, which gives you the extended traffic jam assistant, as well as active Driving Assistant Pro. You can see a lot of things are standard: remote engine start, M Sport brakes, M differential, active driving steering, integral active steering, sorry about that, adaptive M suspension pro, display key. Some of the options are glass controls, the fine line copper wood trim, bringing the grand total with destination at $127,995. To give you a better look at that copper wood, it is gorgeous. Let's bring up some of that surround view camera so you can see what it looks like. So you can see you get a full 360 surround view as well, with the option of actually sliding out and doing a 3D view of your car. All your safety features are going to be under this little button right here. So let's go home, get that activated, go in here and hit configure. So you can see it does have frontal collision, side collision, lane departure with steering intervention, active blind spot with steering intervention. So this thing is absolutely safe as well as fast. Nice little overview of the interior. So let's go ahead and pop out. Give you one final look at this beautiful car. Let me actually grab the key and we're going to put the top open for you, because this top actually takes 15 seconds to raise and lower, and you can do it up to speeds at 30 miles an hour. So we will actually give it a lock, get the top mechanism working. So this is the M850 convertible with the top up. Still just as sleek and sporty. Let's take a look in the trunk actually. So your handle release is going to be right under here. There we go. Fully electronic trunk. And when the top is actually up, this little panel right here can push forward to give you a little bit of additional storage room. And of course the seats do fold down. As you can see, you've got the releases on the left side and the right side. So we'll actually come in here and pull this down, close the trunk, and we will lower the top so you can see the motion as well. So we'll hit the unlock button, give it a nice hold. Seconds, just like that. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk one more time, show you what it looks like with the actual top down. It's a little bit of storage, definitely a lot more with the top down. Give this a nice close. So this is the 2019 BMW M850 convertible. If you have any questions, comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. Thank you.